Hi, I'm Kato FPV, and I like FPV and stuff. So, lately I've been testing out the new CNC gimbals from Pyrodrone, and I might recommend them, but it's mostly because of their customer service. So, So lately I've been testing out the new CNC gimbals from Pyrodrone on my Tango 2, and while they're an upgrade, I don't know if I should recommend it or not, and if I recommend it, it's kinda because of their customer service, which sounds strange, but they are an upgrade and you don't have any of that plastic flex thing that you get from plastic compared to metal gimbals, but also they're quite known to come with mistakes, such as I heard many of them have loose magnets. Not a case of mine, but I heard so many cases, so I actually put on extra glue on mine. And mine came with a missing, I don't know what you call it, travel adjustment screw. But again, Pyrodrone will what is the word? They will give you money. They will help you if you have any problems, and they refunded me money to buy new ones. So heck, I don't know. Just get it if you can afford it. They are better to fly with if you want better gimbals on your Tango 2. So let's fly more. I don't know, maybe I put a flight video over all of this. So yeah, decide for yourself, but they're good and you will get help if they are bad.